Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love unboxings too. So today's video is my BoxyCharm by Ipsy for the month of July. If you're unfamiliar with our BoxyCharm by Ipsy, Ipsy and BoxyCharm did merge. It still breaks my heart that they did not call themselves IpsyCharm. I'm just saying. They did merge, so now we have the Ipsy branding for our BoxyCharm. This is a monthly subscription box where you'll receive 5 full-size products, makeup, beauty, skin, etc. for $28. My box got lost, so they had to reissue me another box, so I'm not even getting what was in my original box. It is what it is. Luckily though, look, we got a couple more days of July, y'all, so it came in July. I can give them that. I was not thrilled. I'm gonna open this up and take the paper away. I was not thrilled by our choices this month at all. I noticed that it was very sans makeup, and I am a more skincare heavy lover, but I want some makeup, y'all. So I don't have high hopes, and I am kind of sneak peeking, and I still don't have high hopes. Well, we're just gonna go in. First up is from Earth Harbor. We get quite a bit of products from them. This is the Marina Biome Brightening Ampule with Spirulina and Blue Tansy. And I'm not going to open this, but I will show you what the component looks like. I always feel like their stuff is so pretty and just so aesthetically pleasing. It's very like apothecary-esque. I do have plenty of skincare open, and I just did a massive skincare declutter, so we're going to put that to the side. Next up is the Purlisse Dragon Fruit and Niacinamide Exfoliator. Strengthens, boosts radiance, and improves texture. I really love Purlisse, and I've used quite a few of their masks. I'm actually going to pull out the one that I have and kind of decide which one I want to keep, because I do not need both of these. So I already had, still brand new, the Yuzu and Orange. This is Boost Collagen and Brightens, and then we have the Dragon Fruit and Niacinamide. Should we keep both? Comment down below. Which one do you think sounds better? I do have dry, dehydrated, textured, mature skin. I'm not mad at this. I like this kind of product, and I really love Purlisse. I've gone through quite a few of their products. Next up is another brand we get consistently. It is the Herbivore Moon Dew Bakuchiol and Peptides Retinol Alternative Eye Cream. And I've heard great things about the Bakuchiol oil being a retinol substitute, and I only have a couple of eye creams, so I think I'll hold on to this for now. But as you can see, we ain't got no makeup yet, y'all. Next up is the Ace Beauté Seal It Makeup Setting Spray. So I consider this more skin, not necessarily makeup, or more of like a tool. It's a setting spray. And then of course we have this and our Purlisse. And our last product, and the one and only makeup product, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. This is actually one of the very first like higher end type of brow pencils that I used, and I used this for a very, very long time. So I'm excited to have it. But Ipsy, where the heck is the makeup at? And I appreciate stuff like this. We have an exfoliator. We're going to keep everything exfoliated and get all the dead, dry, crusty skin off. We have an eye cream. That sounds fabulous. We have a beautiful brightening ampule. We have the settings. I mean, they're fine. The products are fine, but I feel like everything is so repetitive all the time. I feel like we literally get the same exact products all the time. And yes, I still love it. I still love to get the box overall because I do have a channel and because I can give things back. I also have my for sale group. I do mystery bags, things like that. I do giveaways and stuff, but it's just a little frustrating that we continue to kind of get the same types of products. I know a lot of people, especially for the month of July, felt that exact same way. I mean, the choices, y'all, were abysmal. I don't know. I feel like they should at least do something where you're guaranteed a palette in every single box, and then kind of everything else from there is what it is, so to speak. But yeah, I don't know. Not my favorite box. It's not dreadful. I mean, there are a couple products in here that are really nice products for me, but yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. What did you get? Are we box twins? What did you think about the month of July? And yeah, month of July is almost gone. I'm sorry this is so late. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Happy weekend.